Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. On this video I'm going to explain what's happening right now for the Bitcoin price. And guys, if you remember from yesterday, we had this symmetrical triangle in the 4-hour time frame and we were going for a breakout. And if you remember, I told you that I'm expecting to see a breakout to the downside. And look what happened. Actually, after the big resistance that we were retesting here and we actually found weakness to surpass it, we actually went to the downside and broke out this symmetrical triangle. Because if you remember, I told you I believe 60% of chances to get a breakdown to this area, and it happened. They broke out at around $16,880 and we moved down around at $16,728. And guys, to be honest with you, I believe that this kind of dump is gonna continue to even more lower price area and to go towards the technical price target of this symmetrical triangle downwards technical price target, but guys, look what happened. We saw a reversal and we jumped back to this symmetrical triangle. So for me, I can actually tell you that this symmetrical triangle has been invalid after this very well big reversal that happened. But guys, I still believe that we're gonna have a big imminent move, because if you look the EMA, if you look the Bollinger Bands, you're gonna notice that the Bollinger Band has squeezed even more. So right now, anytime soon, we're gonna have even a pump to the upside or even dump to the downside. So guys, I'm gonna tell you my opinion, what I believe, I think is gonna happen on this video, because also we have here a very interesting rise wedge pattern which forming in the 30 minutes time frame, which as you can clearly see, we have a breakout here and it's going downwards, guys. So we're gonna speak for all these things plus some already patterns that's already forming, and if you would like to know where we're gonna get in the very short term and also in the mid long term, you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way supporting me so much within this journey with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, and share your friends. You actually help me so much to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm, which helped me a lot, and I appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you guys. I'm Chris, uploading everyday's crypto videos teaching you how to make smart trades on the crypto market and stack that money. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to do not miss any of my future trades. And right now, guys, let's start with a 4-hour time frame, this symmetrical triangle that was formed perfectly from yesterday. And I'm gonna give you the technical price targets, guys, because I believe anytime soon we're gonna have a massive pump or dump. Okay, I'm gonna give you the technical price targets of this symmetrical triangle, which is right now is invalid, but the technical price targets play big role, and I'm going to explain you what I mean. So right now, let's focus here on the technicals. You can clearly see here if we would have a breakout to the upside, we would have a technical price target at around $70,500 area. I will put a red box and I'm gonna give you immediately the downside technical price target, which as you can clearly see, after this breakout that happened, we should get to this area of $60,150. I will put a red box one more time and look the technical price target, guys, and I'm gonna tell you why after the invalidation of this symmetrical triangle I still believe that we're gonna get either to the upside or either to the downside. If you remember, I told you yesterday that I believe 60% to get to the downside, 40% to go to the upside. I still believe the same, and whatever it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen, I believe, anytime soon, a big move, because look how many days, guys, we're consolidating on this area of $60,800 after the massive breakout that happened after when we reached actually the over $70,600 area, and after the FOMC meeting, which had the crash after the bad news of Jeremy Powell's speech, we had moved on this area for a couple many days. So I'm expecting to see a big imminent move either to the upside or either to the downside, as I told you. And right now I'm going to give you why I believe that, because look, guys, the Bollinger Band indicator squeezes, and every time this Bollinger Band indicator squeezes, guys, we're gonna have a massive move. And look a little bit more carefully, the last 8 hours it had squeezed even more. Okay, yesterday we were on this position exactly here on this area. It was even more squeezed than the previous day, and right now look, guys, how much has been squeezed. So right now I'm expecting a big move even to the upside or even to the downside. And as I told you, 60% I believe to the downside and 40% to the upside. And guys, right now I'm gonna give you in the 30 minutes time frame this rise wedge pattern, which had already broke out on this massive area. And I'm gonna tell you one trick, okay, one tip, actually, not a trick. It broke out at $60,851. And because most of guys right now will ask me, Chris, okay, you're talking us for mid long term most of the times how to do and how to deal all this kind of situation as an investors. But if we would like to do a trade, to the trades, what we should do, okay guys, this is a perfect example right now in the 30 minutes time frame to explain you how you can do a trade. We have a rise wedge pattern. Look how beautifully it forms, and it's a perfect example because it had already broke out before a couple minutes at $60,850 and moving to the downside as it's supposed to move. So right now it's a perfect spot to jump into this trade, and I'm gonna tell you how to do that in a very short time frame, because in a 30 minutes time frame, and the lower time frame, guys, the less reliable it is. The more time frame, the more reliable the technical analysis will be. But it's a good trade opportunity, and if I were going to do a trade here, I would do that. I would open a trade here with 50%, but basically I will give you first the technical price target, because you can clearly see we have here a beautiful formation, A move, B move, and C move, and then we had a breakout. And guys, right now I'm gonna give you the technical price target, and immediately I'm gonna explain you what I would like to talk about. You can clearly see here a technical price target at this one. We have $16,726 technical price target, and I'm gonna put a red box, and I'm gonna tell you how to do a trade here if you were going to do that. So you can clearly see here you could actually trade it with 0.5% of a profit. Okay, because rise wedge patterns are very bearish patterns. We already had the breakout here, and we are ready to get down after the breakout, which happened. So 50% is your take profit. You should set your take profit at 0.5% after the breakout, and guys, the stop loss at around 0.5% in the upside, so you can understand that you won't lose that kind of much money, and you're willing to get a lot, especially if you actually put a leverage. Okay, if you use a leverage, guys, let's say 20x, 30x, 40x, 50x, but be very careful, guys. This is not for very beginner traders. It's almost for a little more experienced traders, but this could be a very good trade opportunity to jump in. Okay, I share my trades when I'm very sure about them. The small trades in a very small time frames, I don't share those, guys, because I don't want you to put you in some risk or whatsoever, because I know how to handle those. Okay, so guys, this is a very good tip. But also in a 30-minute time frame, we had the breakout, which I'm expecting to get to this technical price target 100%, especially if the big imminent move become to the downside. Okay, very simple. As you know here, guys, we had the rise wedge pattern in the daily time frame. Still information, still the technical price target for me. It's very possible to get there. $15,830 the technical price target of this rise wedge pattern in the daily time frame. We have lots of probabilities to get there. And right now I'm gonna give you really fast the MACD indicator, because guys, it happened some flip. Okay, and that flip probably gonna lead us to a pump. But guys, remember, if you remembered my last words from my previous video, I told you that if this flip is gonna happen, beware and don't open crazy long positions, because I believe that if we're gonna see a small bullish territory here building in, we're gonna have a very big reflip, and we're gonna have a massive drop afterwards. So beware of that, because I have warned you lots of times about what is going to happen on this current situation of this kind of flip. If we're gonna see a flip, I told you, we're gonna it's gonna be for not so many days, guys, and then we're gonna have a reflip to this and build to and build here a very big bearish territory, which is gonna drop the price of Bitcoin to a very significant number. So this is what I'm expecting here, to be honest with you. And here we have the resistance supports, guys. You can clearly understand that if we would like to drop under $60,000, we have to surpass this major 60,566 support area, which is really strong. And if you remember, I told you that if you're gonna break this one and you're gonna get to this second support area, which is the $60,277, every time we're touching this kind of support, we always getting instantly under $16,000. And guys, to get to the upside, we need firstly to get and surpass this $16,890 and stay above it in the daily time frame. If this is gonna happen, then we're getting straight to retest the $70,250, which is really strong. If you remember from our previous days, it was really strong to surpass it. And guys, afterwards we have the next resistance areas, which is the $70,400, and the previous bottom of the June, which is the $70,600. And if you remember, I told you that as we are under this massive resistance of the previous bottom of the June, I remain from technical side very bearish. Okay, fundamental also are very bearish for especially the first Q1 of the 2023. So yes, guys, I'm expecting a new drop, a new bottom for a Bitcoin anytime soon. It's very possible to see Bitcoin at $12,000. This is my number. I don't believe Bitcoin is gonna drop under 12,000. I believe 12K is gonna be the worst case scenario for the Bitcoin. So guys, this is what I would like to tell you. Drop any kind of question or concern about whatever you would like to do. I just show you an example here how to perform a trade. Completely example. Okay, do not go and copy this one, because I told you, always do your own research. I'm not financial advisor. Always do first your own research and practice if you would like to become a trader. Okay, this is what I would like to tell you guys. The best thing to do right now is to do DCA. Is the best actually and stress-free method to do. Be and open your eyes and try to learn as many from technical side and trading tips and tricks as possible. And when the next bull run is gonna come and have actually a big return of this DCA, then you can jump in and start doing trades. Okay, and then practice on the bull run, not on the bear market, because on the bear market you're probably gonna lose lots of money and lose the opportunity to get the big return and build generational wealth for the future. So this is what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you tomorrow, guys, with my fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.